tell you what I hear about you. Don't tell me what you see when you look at me. I won't tell you what I hear about you. Just instruments of music and the dramas you live day to day. Flutter between the dialogue that you dredge up just so you'll have something to say. So don't tell me what you say when you look at me. I won't tell you what I hear about you. Don't tell me what you say when you look at me. I won't tell you what I hear about you.
Lima hospital University.
University ba yan, bro? Anong masasabi mo sa buhay mo?
Siyempre, I'm very happy because I'm here in Saudi Arabia
Rin
for saving of the money for my family.
Ganun. So, you have, do you have any savings now?
Yes.
How much, $1 million? Or?
Maybe, I don't know, estimated to, I don't know, because I'm not withdraw now.
Secret.
Also secret.
Secret. Yes. It's a nice place, huh? Saudi Arabia. You don't have any
It's a Kodak Express.
What up? This. Di ba STC yan, bro? STC yung building na yan. STC building.
Pero may
Panda supermarket.
Muna naman kita.
Ha?
Ito naman si Mr. Tim, yung
Ayun,
aming poging taga Laguna. Ayan, ano ba masasabi mo, Mr. Tim, sa ating hanap buhay dito sa Saudi Arabia?
Still fighting
Fighting for what?
for homesickness.
Okay, no problem about the homesick. You looking there for happiness. You see, this is a panda. Okay, let's go. Go now. How many minutes?
How many minutes? Time is brought to you by San Gilbert. See? Stoplight here. Panda. Ano ba ang buhay mo ngayon dito, bro? Hindi ka ba nalulungkot? Na malayo ka sa kapiling ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay?
Hindi talagang malungkot dito sa...
Kagaya ng iyong mga minamahal na mga anak at ang iyong pinakamamahal na asawa. Ano ba ang masasabi mo?
Dito sa Saudi talagang mahirap.
Sa ilang taong mong pamamalagi, ilang taong ka na bang hindi nagbakasyon sa atin?
Aba, 4 years na.
Biruin mo yun? Nakaya mo yun?
Hindi na kaya ko dahil nga sa...
Kaya bilib ako sa iyo, bro. Matatag ang iyong panindigan. Ang iyong tawag nito? Ang iyong
pananaw sa buhay.
Pananaw sa buhay.
Siyempre, kailangan natin yan.
Ngayon, pero ang aking sasabihin sa iyo ay magbakasyon ka naman. Malapit na, isang buwan na lang.
December. Coming December, I will go into vacation. So much.
We are approaching to the head office of Saudi Arabian British Bank.
Oy, dalawang Saudi.
Yan.
Dalawang Saudi.
Dalawang Saudi. Yan yung bangko.
Wala pang mapark yan ah.
Dito, parada mo dyan. Ano yung babae doon? Yung Arabiano. Mr. Andrew Moreno is now doing his parking to the Sabit? You good? Are you good there? Yes, good. Shukran. Shukran. Yeah, it's all fine. It's fine now.
It's okay.
It's okay. You are on the parking area.
I'm ready the
Parking area.
parking area in Saudi British Bank. Hello,
Yes.
how are you? How many minutes now?
The time is
4 minutes.
7 minutes na eh.
Oh, okay. 7 minutes na ba yan? 7 minutes.
Ha?
Okay, bye-bye. I love you too.